In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT to GoHighLevel. To follow along, you just need access to ChatGPT in a desktop browser and permission to connect your GoHighLevel account. We'll use the official app directory inside ChatGPT and the Windsor.ai connector that bridges your data to natural language. Start by opening chatgpt.com and signing in. In the lower left corner of the page, click your profile icon to open the menu, then choose Settings. This is where ChatGPT keeps account preferences and connections. Inside Settings, select Apps. You'll see the Connectors area, which is designed for securely linking outside accounts. Click Add More to open the app directory so we can search for the right integration. In the search bar, type GoHighLevel as a single word. Among the results, look for Windsor.ai and click it. Windsor.ai connects marketing and business data sources to ChatGPT, letting you ask questions in plain English and get answers pulled from your connected accounts. Many users link platforms like Google Ads and Meta through the same connector, and it also supports GoHighLevel. That means metrics such as leads, opportunities, and campaign performance can be surfaced conversationally once the connection is active. If the search returns multiple results, make sure you choose the listing that explicitly mentions connecting marketing and CRM data to ChatGPT. The description on the page is helpful. Skim it to confirm GoHighLevel is supported alongside other sources. Taking a moment here prevents you from installing the wrong app and saves time during authorization. On the Windsor.ai page, click Connect. When prompted, select Sign In and then allow access to grant the permissions required for the integration to work. Take a moment to review the scopes shown on the screen, confirm you're authorizing the correct workspace or sub-account, and make sure you have the necessary rights and GoHighLevel to approve the connection. If your organization uses single sign-on, complete that flow as usual. This authorization ensures ChatGPT can read data through Windsor.ai without you needing to paste any credentials into a chat. After you allow access, ChatGPT finalizes the link in the background. From here, the connector is ready to use and will appear under Apps whenever you want to manage it. If you ever need to adjust or revoke access, you can return to the same place in Settings. That's it. You went to ChatGPT, opened Settings, navigated to Apps, searched for GoHighLevel, chose the Windsor.ai listing, and connected it by signing in and approving access. With the connection live, you're set up to ask natural language questions about your GoHighLevel data directly in ChatGPT, all through the secure Windsor.ai bridge.